So here's my book, Nine Decisions to Sharpen Your Axe. And just to explain what it's about. I wrote this with Jake Ellis, one of my team, and it's about 9 decisions, strategic decisions that every business leader has to make. Now, what I find is when I'm speaking to management teams at various levels of their development, whether they're a startup, whether they're growing, or whether they're looking to exit, ultimately, these 9 decisions on strategy are fundamental. And yet, when I sit around the table with leadership teams, I ask them these very simple questions. What I find out often is the answers haven't been bottomed out. It's not as if everybody doesn't think that they know, but of course, as soon as you write it down, you discover that there's clear blue water between the different perspectives of the leadership team. And that's a problem, because if you have that clarity, it becomes your North Star in your strategy. It helps you to align the effort of the organization to the outcomes, to make it more efficient. And for marketing, it's key because it's the platform that will help you to market successfully to your buying audiences. So do please take a look at 9 decisions to sharpen your axe and discover why you need to answer these 9 questions and how to do it.